For stock performance analysis in Power BI, we need to get the target stock price info regularly. For example, the target stock daily open, high, low, close price, and traded volumes. The advanced extraction should be automatic and list daily. You may directly to use Power BI Web Connector to get free stock daily price from Yahoo Financial site and refresh the data loadings for Power BI reporting and desktop or the refresh scheduler by Power BI Cloud Service. By this way, you are able to get the short and latest period stock price info. In this video, I shall share a different method to use R script to extract, combine, and save stock price data in one file and local drive automatically with the help of a window task scheduler. Then use Power BI CSV connector to query the saved data file and, if required, to schedule the data loading refreshes for published Power BI reports and Power BI Cloud Service side. Okay, let's get started with the R script creation first. Launch the R Studio. Name the scripts as Get Multiply Stock version 1. We shall create two sections in the scripts. The task of the first section is to extract the demanded multi-stock price data, combine them into one CSV file, and then save it to local drive. The task of second section is to schedule the script to run daily for getting latest data from the source side. Section 1. Load the required packages, Quant Mode and Task Schedule R. Specify the stock symbols we want. For example, the top 5 players of telecom manufacturers listed in New York Stock Exchange. They are ERIC, NOK, CSCO, JNPR, QCOM. Each stands for Ericsson, Nokia, Cisco, Juniper, and Qualcomm. Set the history period range of stock price we want. Say start date from 1st of January 2020. The end date is up to today. Prepare an empty data frame to store the combined stock data. Now we start to create the loop to iterate through each stock symbol. For each stock code in symbols, we extract the stock trade data from Yahoo since the start date to the end date. Convert the extracted data to our data frame as a stock DF. Store the row names as each row data in the data frame, which are trading dates for specific stock. We shall use the raw data to create additional date column in combined stock data frame. Unify the name of each column header in each stock's data frame by removing their stock code stamp string before and including dot. Add stock code column to each stock data frame. Add trade date column from stored raw name info to each date frame. Append the all stock data frames into the combined data frame. End loop. Save the combined data as a CSV file without raw name to the predefined local path. Section 2. Schedule the script to run above Section 1 script and itself on every morning 10 a.m. Here we employ the function task schedule create. This function is from the task schedule R package. It is designed to schedule R script to run automatically using the Windows task scheduler. The arguments task name, This assigns a name to the scheduled task, making it easy to manage and identify later. Here, it's named as Get Multiplay Stock Daily version 1. R script. This specifies the path to the R script that you want to run on a schedule. In this case, it is a local path we defined as 16 my R scripts under the documents. The R file get multiplayer stocks version 1.r in this path is the script file we are creating now. Schedule. This defines how often the R script should be executed. It's set to daily here, indicating daily execution. Other options included once, monthly, weekly, hourly, minute, on log on, and on idle. Start time. This sets the specific time of day when the script should start to run. It's set to 10 in this example. So this R script of the second part effectively creates a scheduled task with the vendor task scheduler to run R script get multiplay stock version 1.r every day on 10 a.m. Now save the R script to the defined path and run the script. Let's check the generated combined file or stock data and the predefined local path in script section 1. It has the updated stock performance data. Let's check if this defined task schedule event is listed and enabled in Task Scheduler library. Click on the Start button Windows icon in the lower left corner of your screen. Type Task Scheduler in the search bar. Click on the Task Scheduler app in the search results. Click on the Task Scheduler library and in right box to find the schedule date event name. Get Multiplay Stock Daily version 1. Right-click and run it. Now let's open the new Power BI desktop file to load the saved combined stock data. We use a text CSV connector to get the saved data from local path. We can use the source data to do the analysis and report visualizations. At this phase, when you open this Power BI desktop file and refresh the desktop file, you always get the up-to-date data in your report. You can also schedule the data load and report refreshes on the Power BI Cloud Service side by publishing the desktop file if you are Power BI Pro user and has created on-premises gateway connections to your local machine. That is all about in this demo. The video shares a method to use R script to extract free stock price data from Yahoo Financial site, combine and save them in one file and local drive automatically with the help of a Windows Task Scheduler and Daily Lever. Then use a Power BI CSV connector to query the saved data file and if required, to refresh the published stock performance Power BI reports and Power BI Service Cloud site. In coming videos, with this extracted stock daily performance data, we shall demo the ways on how to construct the advanced analytic charts in Power BI for stock performance analysis. Thanks for watching. If you like to watch more videos from my channel, please press subscribe button. See you in next video.